the best time to invest was yesterday and the second best is today. My name is Wong Yi Kai. I'm 19 years old and I'm a student. What actually made me wanted to learn about value investing is to, of course, be financially free, to spend more time with my family and friends in the future, and also to be more financially literate, knowing more about value investing as well. So my favorite part about the VIP program would have to be the CFOS session, where Cayden actually talked about how to sell put and sell call, and I find it very interesting. I think the most valuable part about this 4-day VIP course would have to be the way we find companies that are good, cheap, and can grow in the future. I think it means a lot to future value investors to know about the company that are about to invest in as well. Yes, I would definitely recommend all my friends to join this VIP course, as they are all youngsters like me as well, and I would want everyone who is watching this to start now rather than later. As Warren Buffett said, the best time to invest was yesterday and the second best is today.